Hey, Chris Logan here with another walkthrough Wednesday. Here I am with a 2021 Hideout 27RLS. Great camper, great couples camper, but it's got extra sleeping space, as you'll see inside if you needed it. But let's take a look. It does have a nice size pass-through storage, goes all the way. And Greer, if you'll look here, the Hideouts now and a lot of other campers are pre-wired to have side view cameras as well as a rear observation camera. So a nice touch if you're not real good with driving, pulling a trailer so you can see what's beside you and around you. This does have two doors. This is the door to the bedroom, stairs going up to it. Nice long awning, LED lights, those blue round things are outside speakers as well. If you'll notice here, there's a coax connection and a plug-in if you want to put a table here or something and run the watch your television, run some movies off the entertainment inside. It does have a digital antenna on all Keystone products with a Wi-Fi booster, LTE booster, and a great digital reception. Come around here, we've got these are the electric stabilizers, so make it much easier setting up. Does have a power tongue jack on the front. Run the backs from the back and the front from the front. Here's the nice solid steps that are really adjustable, side to side, length, whatnot. Let's go take a look on inside after you, Greer. Okay, we're back inside the 27RLS from Hideout. You know, I said there was extra sleeping inside, more of a couple's coach kind of with the couch here and the recliners there, but I'm going to show you a trifold sleeper if you haven't seen one. Much nicer than some of the other things that used to be out there, the air mattresses and such. Really just seconds to set up. So there's a nice bed for a couple kids, 3 kids, a couple adults. Just real simple and easy to do. So just as easy to put it back away. If you notice while I'm doing that, there is nice storage up above there. So let's see, that was pretty quick to do. Makes a nice bed. Added space if you need it. You do not have to tell people it's a bed either. So recliners here, you can pull these out, move them around, which is nice. Got nice windows all the way around, those big ones open there. And so if you're sitting here, nice entertainment center. Here's the entertainment center. I said you can run to the outside as well. Fireplace generates some pretty good heat. You know, this TV will pull out some and angle it whatever way you want it. More storage up here. One of the surprising things this has is that's a strong magnet. Kind of hidden storage or just extra storage. I like to say just not wasted space. So that's a real nice thing. Bigger 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Really open this here, please. Cold in there now. It's DC or low electrical pulls, so it's really much more efficient than what we were using. Somewhat exclusive to this class of camper with Hideout is the onboard vacuum. The attachments are under the bed, so clean up. You can run it outside to clean your vehicle. Nice booth dinette here. The table is not attached to the poles that kind of wiggle and wobble around sometimes, so just a real nice feature. Storage here. Ducted heat through the floor. This does have an enclosed and heated underbelly, so you can extend your camping season a little bit, keep varmints out, things like that. So, got a nice walk-through bathroom. Porcelain toilet, which allows you to use more general chemicals in to keep it cleaner. Nice shower you can walk in and out of easily. A sink, a good cabinet for towels, storage under here as well, and a nice size medicine cabinet. So here's the bedroom, just camping queen size bed, plenty of room. If you need to leave, light out your bedroom door. So thanks again. This is the 2021 Hideout 27RLS.